Welcome, CNG 256, to our last full week together. Let's see, this week you have no test due, and you can check that by verifying content going down to week 15. Oops, not quiz. Week 15, and then just scrolling through the what we have going, notes, assignments. So in our portfolio, in our notes, the portfolio assignment is due. You could have got a start on it over Thanksgiving break, worked on it a little bit last week, and then this week definitely jumped into it. There is a little bit of reading a conclusion chapter about what we read overall, but this week mostly you should be focusing on your portfolio project. Once again, feel free to use a platform that is already hosted. Think of this as basically a way to share an example of what you worked on for retaining a job. I shouldn't say retaining a job, gaining a job, gaining employment. Have an example of, let's see, we had one problem last week where I thought there were users in Metasploit 2, but there were not, and that was definitely a problem that you overcame. And it is a good example of, hey, look, this is something that happened. This is how I overcame it, and is a great employee tool to use to get employment. That's always a question. That's always a favorite question. Give an example of a difficulty and how you overcame it. Always one of those questions. Not a whole lot to do. Make sure to put substantial time into your portfolio project. A high-level presentation. Don't try to hammer it out in 2 or 3 slides. Take your time. Give a good presentation, and once again, have it ready for basically entry into your resume and entry as an example to show. You can hand it out. Even in your resume, you put, hey, look, I worked on a project, and here is the project more detailed. Have a link in there. So if you guys have any questions this week, let me know. I'll be in Hangouts. I am at home for this week. Let's see, the grading will start today. Glad to see more people getting stuff in. Get those late. Oh, we'll roll back to that. Get those late assignments in. Where's that at? Oh, I didn't do it. Yeah, I did. Okay. Get those late assignments in. Some points better than no points. Choose your portfolio project. Look back at the labs. Look back at the tests. What did you like to do? Getting those late assignments. If I gave you some points, turn around and see what I asked for and get those in, so I give you more points. With that, I'll talk to you guys again soon. Have a good week.